In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account. So first of all, let's head over to our Instagram. Once we head over to Instagram, click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once we click on this, we can then go to the top right hand corner, click on the three lines, and then we will need to select settings. Once we select settings, what we want to do now is we want to scroll down this page until we see the option for Account Center. Click on Account Center option right there, and then now we will be able to click on our option where it says Accounts. So once we click on this, as you can see, we have our Facebook account and we have our Instagram account. Obviously these two are linked together, so what we can do is click on Remove on our Facebook account, and then once we do that, we can then click on Remove again, and then once we do that, we can then click again on the Remove account. And then what that will do is it will remove the Facebook account from your Instagram account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.